Hi, in this video, let me show you how to fix in case you're having Wi-Fi issues, Wi-Fi connection problems with your FPD television. So step number one, once let's say it's happening, or maybe your connection is disconnecting, simply unplug your TV from the wall outlet. It doesn't matter if it's turned on, simply unplug it. Stay like this 5 minutes and then plug it back. This is a simple restart. It doesn't delete anything, but many issues are fixed simply by doing the following. So after connecting it back, I suggest you power it on using the button located under your TV, and try using your apps and see if the Wi-Fi is now reliable and it's able to connect. What I also suggest, okay, if this didn't work, is that you go where your Wi-Fi router is located and you do the same thing. Unplug it from the wall outlet, wait 5 minutes, plug it back. Many times in the past, at least it happened to me, the problem wasn't with my TV, my laptop, or my phone. The problem was with my Wi-Fi router. It simply needed a restart. So I simply unplug it, plug it back, and everything worked. So I suggest you start by trying these two basic things first before going to our second tip. So our second tip, take your remote control and we're gonna press the settings button over here. The settings will open on the right side. Go down and select Wi-Fi. Then from here, you're going to see the network which you're connected to. You're going to click on it. You're going to go all the way down. You're going to select Forget Network. Select OK. Now there's no internet connection at all. You're going to press OK again. All the networks will appear on your screen. Select again your network that you want to connect to. Enter the password. And then press the check mark. It will connect again. And fortunately, everything will work the way it's supposed to and you won't have any problems. Other things you can try. Let's go back from this menu. Go into the settings again. You're going to select all settings on the top right corner. You're going to go down and select System. Go down, select About, and select System Update. It will start connecting to your Wi-Fi and searching for any updates available. If there is one, it will tell you to install it, and I suggest you do it. There's a good chance that they fixed your problem using a software update. If not, as you see here, my TV is up to date. Well, you can skip to the next tip. So another thing that you can do in the same menu, which is About, is to do a factory reset. By selecting Reset here, Factory Reset, you'll have to confirm by going down and selecting again Factory Reset. This will delete absolutely everything. So your account will be deleted from the TV and any apps you have downloaded as well, they will go away. You'll have to reinstall them and relog into your Google account. But this will mean that your TV will be like a brand new one. And fortunately, after doing this, your Wi-Fi will be fixed and you'll be able to use it the way you should. If you have any other tips or if one of these tips worked, write a comment in the comment section down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to know that one of these worked, or if you can help somebody else with your own tricks, please write it right there. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.